What are the best motorcycles? Ducati Multistrada V4 S. When discussing the best motorcycles in the world, the Ducati Multistrada V4 S is a standout in the sport touring and adventure category. Combining Ducati's signature performance with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled comfort, the Multistrada V4 S is a true all-rounder designed to excel in every riding condition. Unrivaled performance and power. At the heart of the Ducati Multistrada V4 S is the 1,158 cubic centimeters V4 Granturismo engine, which produces 170 horsepower and 92 lb-ft of torque. Unlike its predecessors, this engine is designed with a longer maintenance interval, ensuring reliability over long distances while delivering exhilarating power across all RPM ranges. The 6-speed gearbox is complemented by Ducati's quickshifter system, allowing seamless gear changes without the need for clutch engagement. The ride-by-wire throttle system ensures precise control, making the bike adaptable to different terrains and riding styles. Innovative design and comfort. The Ducati Multistrada V4 S features an aggressive yet aerodynamic design that enhances both performance and rider comfort. Its adjustable windscreen and ergonomic seat provide optimal protection and support, making long-distance touring more enjoyable. Built for both adventure and sport riding, the Multistrada V4 S comes equipped with a lightweight monocoque aluminum frame, ensuring stability at high speeds and agility on twisty roads. Its semi-active skyhook suspension system automatically adjusts to terrain conditions, offering a smooth and controlled ride. Cutting-edge technology and features. Ducati has packed the Multistrada V4 S with state-of-the-art technology to enhance safety and performance. Key highlights include 6.5-inch TFT display, fully digital dashboard with navigation and smartphone connectivity. Ducati radar system, first-in-class front and rear radar technology for adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection. Multiple riding modes, sport, touring, urban, enduro, allowing riders to customize power delivery and traction control. Cornering ABS and Ducati wheelie control, enhancing safety in challenging riding conditions. Full LED lighting system, with cornering lights for superior visibility. A class-leading adventure tourer. With a starting price of approximately $26,000, the Ducati Multistrada V4 S is a premium motorcycle offering top-tier performance and luxury. Whether carving through mountain roads, tackling off-road trails, or touring across continents, this bike ensures an exceptional riding experience. Final verdict. Among the best motorcycles in the world, the Ducati Multistrada V4 S redefines sport touring with its high-performance V4 engine, advanced technology, and superior comfort. It remains a top choice for riders who demand versatility, power, and innovation in one exceptional machine. For those seeking a high-end adventure tourer with Ducati's legendary performance, the Multistrada V4 S is the ultimate choice.